Namassarvebhyah. Today in this video we will discuss about the Google Drive. Google Drive is a smart file storage and synchronization service created by Google. It allows users to store files in the cloud and to synchronize files across devices. Users can share the files uploaded with anyone. If our important document or file is uploaded to Google Drive, it will be secured and can be accessed from anywhere, anytime, with any device with an internet connection. It works on any operating system like Windows, Linux and Mac. Important feature of Google Drive is there is no restriction for file type. You can upload photos, videos, PDF, text and many other files. One can save up to 15 gigabyte, 15 GB of files in the normal personal Google account. Of course, you require a Google account to access the Google Drive. Now, let's see this particular platform in detail. Right now, you are seeing the About page of Google Drive. As I told you, you can store, share and collaborate files and folders from any devices. If you are working on a particular project with your team members or with your colleagues, this platform will be highly helpful. For example, you are assigned to prepare a particular document or a proposal. So there are 4 people. One has to prepare the presentation, one has to prepare the project proposal, one has to prepare a video and another one has to prepare the budget file in an Excel sheet. So it is assigned to 4 different people. You can create with this particular platform Google Drive, 4 different people can work remotely, like separately, and they can upload the files whatever they work. Like one will be working on PPT, which is a different file type, and one will be working on document, which is docs file. One will be working on video, which is another file type, and another one who is working on budget file, who will be working on Excel sheet. So these 4 types can be uploaded in this particular Google Drive. You can create a particular folder here. We will see in the next stage how to do that. So you can create a new folder, new project and upload all the files without any hesitance. Even if you want to assign a particular task to someone, that is also possible through this particular platform. And no need to worry about compatibility with other documents or other softwares. For example, Microsoft has Word document, Excel and many other softwares. You can work on any other softwares as well and upload all those files here, which is compatible in this particular platform, which means you can make edit of those files through this particular platform. We all know that Google has a powerful search engine and you can use that particular feature in this particular drive. So let's go to Google Drive. You need as I discussed, you need a Google account. So I have already signed in with my personal account. So it says I can use up to 15 GB of storage, from which I have already used 2.2 GB. These are the options my drive shared with me. My drive shows all the documents which are related to me. Here I have recently I have worked on these documents, that's why they are appearing on the first. Then I have folders, like my folders, this online faculty development program KKSU folder, and I have a personal chat as well. So I have created these folders and uploaded relevant documents to it. And there are multiple files related to my research and many other things are present here. You can see this particular is a document file. This is a PDF, which means it is also saved here. Even a zip file is also saved here. So different varieties of files can be uploaded here. Also, you can see there is a form I have uploaded here. So these all facilities are available in this particular platform. Shared with me shows the files which are shared by someone else to me, and recent will show the recent files, and trash will help you to get back. If I click on the trash button, whichever files I have deleted from the main folder, main my drive, will be saved here, and this will be if you delete this, it will be deleted forever from this particular thing. If you have deleted by mistake, that will be in the trash section. Important one is this new option. If you click on this, by clicking on the new, you can create new Google Docs or sheets, slides, or even forms, drawings, and many other Google products. So that can be saved here, and you can work on this particular platform. I mean, by the Google Drive itself, you can work on any of these documents. If you have already worked on a particular document or you have worked on multiple documents which is saved in a particular folder, those file and folders can be uploaded and kept in this particular platform securely. If you click on this folder button, that will create a new folder, and you can name according to your requirement. For example, now I wish to upload a particular folder, so I go to documents and I upload this. I want to upload a smaller one, so maybe old data which doesn't have much. So I will select this particular folder and say upload. It says there are three files to so can I upload this? It reconfirms with you. If you click on upload button, this pop-up window will come and it will be automatically saved. So you can see here it's already a new folder has come up and all the three files have been uploaded. If your internet connection is good, it won't take much time, but if there is some problem with the internet connection, then it will take little more time to get uploaded. Similarly, you can upload files also. For example, I want to upload a particular picture. This screenshot I want to upload. So if I click on that, it will be directly uploaded in this particular. Where if it shows like this, it will be it means it is saved. So now if you right click on a particular folder or a file, it gives multiple options. You can, if you want to share that particular folder, you can click on share, which means you can share it with anyone. Whoever you want to share, you can share it with them and you can collaboratively work on that. Even if you want to work on a particular document, for example, this particular document I want to work on, so with the help of Google Docs, I can open this particular document and continue the work. And it will show the location of this particular file, where exactly it is saved, in which particular folder it has been saved. And if you want to move this particular folder to a, if you want to move this particular file to a particular folder, that is also possible. You can rename it, you can make a copy of it, and you can remove from this main My Drive folder, and it will be saved in trash. So you can access to Google Calendar, Google Keep and Google Tasks while working on Google Drive, and you can watch, you can see the files and folders in a list form and in a tiles form as well. So this is it. You can upload once again I'm giving you the important information. To upload a new file or folder, you can go and click on new. Otherwise you can in anywhere in this particular interface you can right click and those similar options will appear. So hope this video helped you to understand about Google Drive. Thank you. Dhanyawadaha.